Hey, AI enthusiasts. Imagine two of the biggest names in technology, Jensen Huang from NVIDIA and Mark Zuckerberg from Meta, sharing the stage at SIGGRAPH 2024. What groundbreaking insights did they reveal about the future of AI, how it will impact human lives, and how will it revolutionize our world? Stay tuned as we uncover the game-changing highlights from their epic conversation. You won't want to miss this. Welcome back to our channel AI Finds. Today, we have an exciting recap of the groundbreaking keynote conversation at SIGGRAPH 2024 between two tech giants, Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, and Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta. They delved into the future of AI and its transformative impact on technology and business. Let's dive in. The SIGGRAPH 2024 conference featured a highly anticipated keynote discussion between Jensen Huang and Mark Zuckerberg. This discussion explored various aspects of artificial intelligence, AI, and its implications for technology and business. Jensen Huang introduced Mark Zuckerberg by highlighting his transformative impact on technology, his role in creating Meta, and his journey as a college dropout who has led his company to a $1 trillion valuation. When Mark Zuckerberg was asked by Jensen Huang, "Can you share with us Meta's contributions to the field of AI and how AI enhances Meta's products?" He replied that Meta has been deeply involved in advancing AI technologies, particularly in areas like computer vision and language models. One of our significant contributions is PyTorch, an open-source machine learning library that has become essential for AI research and applications. PyTorch is widely used by researchers and developers to build and deploy AI models efficiently. In terms of product enhancement, AI plays a crucial role in improving user experiences on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. We use AI for personalized content recommendations, which means users see posts and stories that are more relevant to their interests. Additionally, AI enables real-time language translation, allowing users to communicate across language barriers seamlessly. Jensen Huang inquired in another way that, "How is AI reshaping content creation, and what do you see for the future of AI in this area?" He just replied that AI is evolving from simple chat interfaces to sophisticated tools capable of handling complex tasks and long-term planning. In the future, AI will not just respond to user inputs, but proactively generate and manage content based on ongoing interactions and learned preferences. This means AI will create personalized content tailored to individual users, enhancing engagement and satisfaction. For example, an AI could help a creator by suggesting content ideas, automating routine tasks, and even generating posts that resonate with their audience. This evolution will empower creators and businesses to produce higher quality content more efficiently. Let's dive deeper and try to find out further from their discussion what they said about AI Studio, AI Creator, AI agents in business operations, innovation, and future directions. Jensen Huang asked another question. "Can you tell us more about AI Studio and its impact on creators and businesses?" Mark Zuckerberg replied that AI Studio is a new platform we've developed to help creators and businesses build AI agents that represent their brand and interact with their community. These AI agents can handle tasks like customer support, engagement, and content generation, acting as virtual representatives of the brand. For instance, a business can create an AI agent that answers customer inquiries in a way that reflects the brand's voice and personality. This technology is particularly beneficial for small and medium-sized businesses that may not have extensive resources. AI Studio democratizes access to advanced AI tools, enabling businesses of all sizes to create custom AI agents that enhance customer interactions and drive engagement. Now tell us further, what are the broader implications of AI integration for businesses and their operations? He answered that AI agents will become ubiquitous in business operations, transforming how businesses interact with customers and manage processes. Every business will have an AI agent to enhance customer interactions, streamline operations, and improve efficiency. These AI agents will provide personalized and responsive customer service, automate routine tasks, and assist in strategic decision-making. For example, an AI agent could handle customer inquiries, process orders, and provide personalized recommendations, freeing up human employees to focus on more complex and creative tasks. This integration will create new opportunities for businesses to innovate and compete more effectively in the marketplace. How do you see AI impacting the future of work and the job market? AI will significantly impact the future of work by automating routine tasks and enhancing human capabilities. While there is concern about job displacement, AI will also create new opportunities and roles that didn't exist before. For instance, there will be increased demand for AI specialists, data scientists, and roles focused on managing and training AI systems. Additionally, AI will augment human work by taking over repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more creative and strategic activities. This shift will require reskilling and upskilling the workforce to ensure people can adapt to new roles and leverage AI effectively in their jobs. Jensen Huang finally asked, "What are your thoughts on the future directions of AI and its potential to drive innovation?" Mark Zuckerberg replied incredibly that, "The future of AI is very promising, with potential to drive innovation across various sectors. We're focusing on advancing AI to create more immersive and interactive experiences in virtual and augmented reality. For example, AI can enhance virtual reality by providing realistic simulations and interactive environments, making VR experiences more engaging and useful for applications like training, education, and entertainment. Additionally, AI will continue to play a vital role in healthcare, improving diagnostics, personalized medicine, and patient care. The integration of AI in different fields will unlock new possibilities and solutions to complex challenges, driving progress and improving quality of life." The conversation between Jensen Huang and Mark Zuckerberg at SIGGRAPH 2024 provided valuable insights into the transformative role of AI in technology and business. They discussed Meta's contributions to AI, the future of AI in content creation, the potential of AI Studio, and the broader implications of AI integration in business operations. Zuckerberg highlighted the impact of AI on the future of work and shared personal reflections on his leadership journey. The discussion underscored AI's potential to drive innovation, create new opportunities, and enhance user experiences across various sectors. As AI continues to evolve, its influence on technology and business will only grow, shaping the future in unprecedented ways. That's it for today's showdown. What you think about the conversation between Jensen Huang and Mark Zuckerberg? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting AI battles. Thanks for watching.